Hello, and welcome to Shane's Microscope. I'm Shane, and this is my microscope. Let's take a peek. Today's sample comes from a river tributary. I've looked at this one before in a different season, so I thought I'd check it out again. Under the microscope, we can see we've definitely got some movement. Look at those little things. They seem to sort of go forward and bounce and then go forward again. Well, under high magnification, these look like cryptomonas. That comes from the Greek kryptos for hidden or secret, and monas for unit. And these are flagellated algae. When I zoomed back out, I saw some movement here. This is definitely a ciliate. I happened to be looking at this diatom when I zoomed in, so I figured I'd have a peek at it. Looks like naviculales. And this ciliate's a bit of a funky angle to us. We can really see its oral membrane. I'm pretty sure this is a scutocociliid. It's an interesting view that we don't normally get of them. And while we're here, let's go back to that diatom. Here's another diatom, very distinctive shape. We can recognize this to be of the genus Amphora. There were a lot of diatoms in here. This one is Nichia sigmoidea. The genus is named after the guy who discovered them, and sigmoidea just means that it's shaped like an S, comes from the Greek sigma. And here's another sigmoid diatom. This one is of the genus Gyrosigma. That comes from the Greek gyros for round and sigma again. Has some really neat striations on that frustule. Even more diatoms. This is of the genus Pinnularia, from the Latin pinna for a pin or peg. I found this ciliate hanging around near the edge of the slide. It is quite energetic, but I think this is another type of scutocociliate. And here's a euglenoid. I believe this is of the family Paranemidae. I think I've only ever seen one of these before. I thought that some oblique illumination really highlighted some features. Then it decided it really liked the sediment while I was trying to look at it in dark field, but we still got some footage. And if you almost missed this like I did, I would understand, because this amoeba looked like just another piece of sediment as I was scrolling by. But that is definitely an amoeba. I saw this interesting thing. I don't really have any idea what it is. If you know, I'd love to hear it. And then this little candelabra bulb looking thing is algae of the genus Odogonium. That comes from the Greek oideo, to swell, and gone, for seed. Can really see a lot of Brownian motion in there amongst the chloroplasts. This looks to be a germling, the start of a filament. It's always neat to check back in on a location we've seen before. A lot of this was stuff we didn't see last time, so it's always worthwhile checking back in on a place, especially if the season has changed. Alright, well, I think we'll leave it there for the day. Thanks for having a look with me. Until next time, keep on peeking.